Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create Pentagon, Hexagon and Heptagon in Inkscape. Okay, so there is one really easy, simple method to do it. It may be really helpful if you need to create a specific and custom shapes. So, for example, we need to go to the left panel and here we have something like Star Polygon Tool. You need to click on this one option. And here we have one really important thing that we need to do. So we need to select this one option. This option is regular polygon with one handle instead of star. Remember to select this one option. And now if you want to create a pentagon, you need to type in corners 5. So we will type here 5 and we click enter. After that, you can create a pentagon here. So for example, it will look like that. So here we have our pentagon. Okay, but if you want to create here hexagon, you will need to create another one object. So I will do it now. So for example, it will look like that. And then we need to type here 6. So we will change the corners to 6. And like you see, our hexagon has been successfully created here. And now we will create heptagon. So the same methods, we create here the object. And now we need to change corners to 7. And I will type it now. So I will type here 7 and I click enter. And we finally made the heptagon here. So like you see, this method is really easy and helpful. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to solve your problem, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.